Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another film simulation for the Ricoh GR3. Now, I'm in black and white again this week, and it's because I've been traveling and the lighting in this room is abysmal, so this is my default. But the photos will not be in black and white. This simulation is definitely going to be a little bit different than the other ones that are available on my website. Those have been more versatile. This one's going to be more polarizing. You're probably going to You're either going to love this one or you're going to hate it, and I'm not sure there's any in between. I'm going to call it Blueberry Film 400. If any marketing executives out there want to hire me to name their film stock, feel free. But I just name them based on, like, what is the first thing I think about when I see these colors. But anyway, okay, this one, like the others, is going to be free on my website. There's a link down in the description below. This one uses Ricoh's built-in picture profile called cross process, and then I've adjusted the settings to my liking of what I was trying to achieve. And so go check it out. You're going to see the photos up on the screen as we do this. I've never really loved cross process, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to give this a try. We're going to do some experimenting, and maybe we'll like the results. I am kind of in the middle as far as how these photos turned out. This isn't going to be something I shoot with every day, but it is fun to see the world through a different perspective every once in a while. And so that's what this is for me. I took it out on the streets of Athens, Greece, took some photos, and here are my results. Again, all these photos can be viewed on my website, and I had something else to say, and I forget what it is. Oh, if you don't know how to input a recipe into your Ricoh GR3, I have a video on that, and I'll link that down in the description below. Thanks everybody for watching these videos and all the nice comments I've gotten. I hope you enjoy this one as well. If you hate this one, don't worry, I've got another one that's a little bit more neutral coming out in the next couple of days, so keep an eye out for that. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Hope you have a great week.